Hello everyone, I'm Sanskriti Khanal and I'm excited to present my project for the web development course at Softwareika College of IT and E-commerce. The project I have built is called Virtual Sikshya. It is an academic management system designed to streamline student, teacher and admin workflows. For this project, I used React.js for the front end, Node.js for the back end, PostgreSQL as the database, and Bootstrap and CSS for styling. Before diving into the main content, I would like to briefly explain the problem that this project solves. Many educational institutions struggle with managing student data, assignments, attendance, and communication between student, teachers, and administrators. Virtual Sikshya aims to solve these challenges by providing an intuitive and interactive platform. So, without any delay, let's dive into the key features of our project. First of all, I would like to show you my codes. This is my backend code and this is my front end code. As we can see, it's already running. I did it off the camera. So, and I would also like to show you my database and all the list of tables created. So without any delay, let's begin with the first feature. We can see sign in page. But before that, I would also like to introduce you to the sign up page. Um, Thapa, okay. And ram @gmail.com using same thing as a password. When we click on this, we can see different roles according to which we will be directed to the respective dashboard. For now, I would just like to use teacher and register. So yes, we can see it's registered. So now we can see it is successfully registered. So let's get back to our sign in page. So for that, let's first of all, let's begin with the admin feature and admin dashboard. I have already registered an admin email. I would just like to use that. We are successfully redirected to the admin dashboard and we can see different cards over here. It's all about exam, ongoing, completed and all, and it's all over here. Okay, so let's focus on the one of the key feature of admin. So without any delay, let's focus on one of the key feature of admin, which is notices. So in this feature, admin is able to add, delete notice, which can be accessed or viewed by teacher, student, and admin. So we can see that the previous notices uploaded by admin is already seen here. So let me add a dummy notice. So let me add another notice just for a test. I would just like to copy this as we are just doing for reference. And now let's upload it. As you may have noticed, it was showing the notification number 3. Now it's increased to 4 and our notice can be seen here too. So this is one of the feature of admin. Let's focus on the events. So let me just click on a random date. So event is a feature that focuses on so event is also a one kind of notification feature that helps to update other users like teacher and student about upcoming events. Notification could be about anything, but events is just specific about a certain day. It could be holiday, it could be college fest or anything. So let's just test one of them. For example, I would like to use a event title. That would be I would like to add a venue. I would like to add a venue. And time. And venue and time 11 What- So let me just add it, and when I get to click here, we can see, and we can add another event too. Okay, so let me close it, and we can see the highlighted day having the event, and we can just click on it and we can see it. Let me just close it for a moment. So let's explore another feature of admin, which is courses. So courses can be accessed by admin, student, and teacher, but as you can see, a small pencil like icon over here, which helps us edit the content. So I'm not editing it for now. I would just like to keep it as it is. So yeah, so for JavaScript and in database system, lesson 1, lesson 2, and similarly for computer architecture, we can see the lesson, and if admin and teacher wish to edit it, they can edit it and save it. So for this feature, the privileged one is only admin because only he or she has the access to add courses. So let me just give example of a course name: software development, and the teacher name I would just like to keep as. So the course is added over here. So now let's check into the previous page. You can see that software development is successfully added over here. You must be wondering, how can we add the lessons for the subject? For that I will be describing. For that I will be of course. For that I will be describing about it over a time. So before that, let's move to another feature that would be routine. See a lot of data over here. So for example, let's just add another data. The any random date, yeah, time, instructor, so instructor, and category. So I would just like to keep it for teacher. Add routine, and we can see it is updated over here. It is not just updated over here, it is also updated in teachers and student pages. But so the final feature, one of the crucial feature of admin is, I would just again like to try. So Ram Thapa, the name I gave before, same email, and we have faculty over here. I would just like keeping it computing. I would like it for a teacher. So as users, for teacher, we need specialization. It just converted in a one snap. It just converted in a one click. So let me just go back to student. We'll add course and year. Mm, just for the reference, and here 23. Create profile, and we can see it is added over here. So that's all for the admin dashboard. Let's get back to the. So without any delay, let's get directed into next page, which is learnings. The same page we saw in admin dashboard. This is earlier in admin dashboard we saw the same page, and the feature are very similar. We can say it's just same, and and we can see the course added by admin is updated over here too. So I would not like to talk more about this because we have already covered this part. So the next page is lessons. So let's try adding over here listen for, and I would like to edit it to React.js, and it's successfully updated over here. So without any delay, let's move to the next page, which is assignment page. So here is already a list of assignment which is been published by teacher and will be accessed by students. So let's try create. So let's try creating new assignment. Assignment title test test. Any random date, department, for which department we are doing this. Okay, and I would like to, if I would like to keep a file, uh, so file is just optional part and I would not like to add it. So let me just create it. We can see it's over here. Okay, now let's move. It is just here but exact same feature, but it contains exact same feature, so let's not waste our time over here and move towards the routine. So the routine uh, so the routine the routine added by admin will be flashed in this way in teacher or student dashboard. And let's move to our next interesting feature, that is quiz. For now, let's not explore that. Let's try creating a new quiz. Here we'll get to see a quiz title. I'm just adding it. So let me just try saving it. And the timer. So here is, I just created it for the 4 minute because I was just trying to test it. So that's all for the teacher dashboard and all of them. Uh, I would just try showing that this part works. Okay, so if I want to remove it, I'll remove it, and according to name and everything I need to be filling over here. So let me just try logging out and move towards the student dashboard. So we are back to our very familiar page, which is our login page. So let me try getting into the student dashboard with the email I have created already or registered already. Okay, so we are successfully inside the student dashboard and we can see the number of courses and and subject progress, attendance chart and whatnot. So let's focus on the key feature, which is learning. So the so so here we can see software development is updated over here too, which was added by admin. And so so the privilege that a student get is only to view the content. So we can see the number of assignment available over here, and the test I did in the teacher dashboard can be seen. The test that I did in the teacher dashboard can be seen here too. So we can see the number of days left to submit it. Okay, that will help student. So that will surely help student to focus on the assignment on time and prioritize their work eventually. So let's focus on the view and submit button. Let's try submitting it. I would, I would okay. Let me try submitting it, and we can see it successfully submitted. Okay, now let's move towards next feature, that is again events. So we made events in teacher dashboard and admin dashboard too. So is- the privilege that is teacher and student gets for event feature is exactly the same. So since in admin dashboard we did not add any events, we get to see the same thing that no events scheduled for this day. So let's not focus on this. Let's close it and get back to routine. In routine, we can see number of days, subject, and the instructor assigned to the class and students for the day. Another feature which is quiz. Okay, so we just saw in the teacher dashboard that one of the quiz was already been created and the same quiz is published over here. Let me try answering it. I'm just randomly picking the options and let me try submitting it. Okay, let's not focus on the result very much and let's get back to the another feature, the very last feature. Let me try clicking on it. So we are navigated towards the student form again here. So again we can see there are a lot of data to be filled, so that's why I won't be going column by column. I would just like to show the feature I showed in the teacher form using the same image and trying removing it. So let me just log out and here we complete our project. I would also like to take a moment and appreciate and thank my module leader for his consistent support and guidance throughout this journey. Thank you for watching. I would love to see your feedback in the comment section. That will surely help me improve in my future projects. Thank you.